Hi friends, this problem is an basic circuit analysis actually. So here it is asking the value of the current I in the right sided loop. So simply from the observation of the circuit, we can see that in this loop the VA is nothing but 5 over 1 plus 1 times 1. It is simple voltage division rule, because there is no closed loop from the left side of the mesh to the right side of the mesh, so there is no chance of conducting any flowing of any current from the left side to the right side of the loops, so that VA is 2.5 volts. And coming to the VB, so clearly from this point we can say I is nothing but VB upon 1 ohm resistance, so that is VB. Now let's write a mesh equation here. So minus 4 times VAB plus 3 times I plus 1 time I is nothing but 0. So 4 times VAB is 4 times I, which is equals to VAB is nothing but I. But what is VAB? VAB is nothing but VA minus VB is I, and from this equation VB is nothing but I. So 2 times I is VA, which is 2.5 volt, and I is nothing but 2.5 upon 2, so which is 1.25 amps. This is the answer for this question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.